Welcome to episode 5 of this Flutter plus GPT series. In today's video, we'll connect our To-Do app to Firebase, and yes, without writing a single line of manual code. We'll use ChatGPT to generate the authentication screens and link it all with Firebase the smart way. First, open your browser and search for Firebase. Head over to firebase.google.com, log in, and go to the Firebase console. Click on Get Started and create a new project. Give your project a name and click Continue. While Firebase prepares your project, let's quickly change our Flutter app's package name. In your browser, search, change package name in Flutter. Click the first link and copy the Flutter command that looks like this. Flutter pub add change underscore app underscore package underscore name. Now paste it in your terminal and hit enter. Once installed, run this command. Dart run change underscore app underscore package underscore name main yourname.to-do. Replace yourname.to-do with your preferred package name. That's it, package name changed. Now head back to Firebase. Select Android as your platform. Paste your updated package name, name the app, and continue. Download the Google Services.json file and place it in. Android app. Now open these files one by one and paste the required code from Firebase docs. Project level build.gradle. App level build.gradle. Dependencies section. If those lines already exist, skip them. Otherwise, paste and save. In Firebase console, go to Authentication, Get Started. Enable the sign-in method of your choice. Email/password is recommended. Now go to ChatGPT and type this prompt. Generate Flutter authentication screens with Firebase and a home screen for a to-do app. Copy the generated code and paste it in main.dart, replacing existing code. Make sure to add the necessary Firebase dependencies in your pubspec.yaml, then run. Flutter pub get. If any error appears like this one I got, simply copy the error and paste it in ChatGPT. It will analyze and give you an updated solution. I did that for my Gradle error and GPT helped me solve it easily. If needed, create a new Flutter project and follow the same steps again. Now let's test it. I signed up a new user, todoapp@gmail.com. Then I checked Firebase, boom. The new user is added. Let's try logging in, and yes, successful login. Firebase Auth is now live in your app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. In the next episode, we'll explore how to add cloud database, Firestore, to store user data and tasks permanently.